today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable mermaid sequin bow pillow. I made it for my daughter and I'm super excited to show you guys how to do it for yourselves. If you're looking for affordable fabric, Hobby Lobby is definitely the place to go. This is where I got the mermaid sequin fabric from. And for a half a yard, it was only like $10, which is pretty awesome. You will also need a pillow insert. Mine is a size 12 by 16 and it was only $6.99 at Hobby Lobby. So this step is actually optional. I just wanted to use my sewing machine, but you can use your hot glue gun for this entire project and it will turn out fantastic. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this pillow for my daughter and she absolutely loves it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more great DIY videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.